Alright, good morning folks. I am Becky with Enduring Finances. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the breakdown of all of the individual dividends in my stock portfolio, how it's performing, how I have not reinvested my dividends, and what we're looking at moving forward. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into how my portfolio has performed for the month of September 2025. Let's get into it. Alright, so looking very fast, we can see we had a very good month. Again, positive gain over $1,050, 2.36% in market value increase, bringing total for the year 13.7% increase in market value, just shy of $5,700 there. So total market value is $45,637.06. We have seen a continual incline since April, and I'm very happy to see that. As far as my strategy, let's go take a look-see at that. So we know that we invest in different sectors based off percentage breakdown of my total value of the portfolio. We knew going into this next month of September that we wanted to invest in real estate and healthcare. However, we are buying a house, my wife and I, and so all of these dividends that I'm earning are going to go towards closing costs and covering the amount of loan. So we're going to be pulling out money shortly in October, probably towards the end of October, and so we're not going to be reinvesting until after we finalize selling my house and her house to buy our house, and then we'll kind of figure it all back out again and reinvest money. So for the short term, I won't be reinvesting and I'll be pulling out a bunch of money. But for now, this is the current breakdown of my portfolio. So we can take a look, see here, finance 24.3%, we want it at 25, we're just shy under there. Tech, we want it at 25.1, we want it at 15. We are over 25% of my current portfolio. Tech has just exploded this year, which is very good. Real estate, we want it at 15. It's about 12.8%, so a little low. That'll be one that we'll want to boost up, but we know real estate has been sucking lately. Consumer staples, we want it at 15%. It is also at 12.8%, so down matching real estate right now, which is good. It shows good signs for our economy right now. Utilities, we want it at 10%. Right now, it is 9% of our portfolio. Healthcare, we want it at 5%. Right now, it is 4.3% of our entire portfolio. Energy is close behind at 4.2%. Telecommunications, we want 3%, coming in at 2.4%. Bonds and ETFs coming in at 2%. We want it at 2%. It is at 1.1%. Industrials is right on the money, staying at 2% even. Consumer discretionary, one at 2%, it's at 1.3%, and then materials is at 0.5%, and we want it to be up to 1%. So overall, we're high in definitely tech and low in a lot of others, but we're still seeing small micro improvements. Total dividends for the month of August for the year average was $1,372. For September's average is $1,374, so a slight increase there. Let's go ahead and see all the dividends that I earn in total that impact this and kind of increase these. Alright, so in total we had a bigger month, coming in $118.52 for a total gain in dividends of $984.30. So we are moving and grooving. As far as quarterly look like, we had first quarter $317.69, second quarter $332.10. And let me just update this here real quick because I forgot to do that. But right, so first quarter $317.69, second quarter $332.10, third quarter $335.55. So we can see a steady increase from the end of last year, quarter 4 2024 to quarter 3 2025. Big jumps here as far as money. We're looking at $5 in dividend yield every single quarter, which is phenomenal there. But let's go ahead and jump into the individual dividends that make up this $118.52. So dividend number one coming in on the 2nd of September, ticker symbol PFE. Pfizer, weighing $3.01 from the 7 shares that I own, and this company is doing all right, pretty even keel for healthcare. Dividend number 2 coming in on the 2nd of September, again, is ticker symbol ENB, Canadian company. So we're seeing that 15% tax come out. We ended up taking in $2.32 off the 4 shares that I own, and this company is up about $66 in its position. Dividend number 3 coming in again on the 2nd of September is ticker symbol LYB. We earned $2.74 from the 2 shares that I own, and this company is pretty even, coming in about a loss of about 23%, so not too shy there. Dividend number 4 coming in on the 2nd of September again is ticker symbol PSX, which is Phillips 66. We earned $3.60 from the 3 shares that I owned, and we are up over 114% in this position for a gain of over $215. Dividend number 5 coming in on the 2nd of September, last one, is ticker symbol V with Visa Incorporated. We were $1.77 from the 3 shares that I own, and we are up over $430 in this position. Dividend number 6 coming in on the 4th of September is ticker symbol BNDX. We earned 44 cents from the 4 shares that I own, and this one stays pretty even. We've lost about $5.28 in it, so not too shabby there. Dividend number 7 coming in on the 4th of September is ticker symbol CMI, which is Cummins Incorporated. We earned $2 from the 1 share that I have, and we are up over 98.9% in this position for a gain of $211.14. And to put that in perspective, we bought this share for $213.51, and it is now valued at $424.65. So a big increase in just 1 share of stock. And they went ahead and increased their dividend from $1.92 a share to $2. So a very even split there. Very happy to see that. Dividend number 8 coming in on the 5th of September is ticker symbol SU, which is Suncor Energy, another Canadian company. We earned $5.21 for the 15 shares that I own, and this company is up over 166% in market value for a gain of $41. So not as big, but we're doing all right there. Dividend number 9 coming in on the 8th of September is ticker symbol SO, Southern Company. We're at $11.10 from the 15 shares that I own, and we are up over 56% in this position for a gain of about $511. Dividend number 10 coming out on the 9th of September is ticker symbol J&J, which is Johnson & Johnson. We're at $2.60 from the 2 shares that I own, and we are up about $58 in this position. Dividend number 11 coming in on the 10th of September is ticker symbol CVX. We're at $1.71 from the 1 share I own, and we are up 71% in this position for a gain of $64.23. We purchased that 1 share for $90.35, and it is now valued at $154.58. So 1 share of stock, big jump up, paying a dividend every quarter. Happy to see that. Dividend number 12 coming in on the 11th of September is ticker symbol CNP. We're at $6.38 from the 29 shares that I own, and we are up 79.8% in the position for a gain of $491.26. Dividend number 13 coming in on the 11th of September is ticker symbol MSFT, which is Microsoft. We're at 83 cents from the 1 share that I own, and we are up over 128% in this position for a gain of $519.71. So doing, gain of $290.61. We purchased it for $227.10, and it is now valued at $518.71. So a pretty big jump there. Dividend number 14 coming in on the 12th of September is ticker symbol AMGN. We are $2.38 from the 1 share I own, and we are up about $53 in this position. Dividend number 15 coming in on the 15th of September is ticker symbol KEY. We earned $3.08 from the 15 shares that I own, and we are up just over 50% in this position for a gain of $93 even. Dividend number 16 coming in on the 15th of September is ticker symbol NEE. We had $3.97 from the 7 shares that I own, and we are even keel, coming in at about $25 gain, just shy of 5% increase in market value. Dividend number 17 coming in on the 15th of September is ticker symbol O. We're at $2.96 from the 11 shares that I own. Again, even keel, coming in a loss about 1.1% in total market value. Dividend number 18 coming in again on the 15th of September, ticker symbol STAG. We are 99 cents from the 8 shares that I own. And again, even keel coming out of a loss of just under 3% in market value, something less than $8 per share, so not too bad there. Dividend number 19 coming on the 16th of September is ticker symbol DUK. We are $2.13 from the 2 shares that I own. We are up over 41% in this position for a gain of $71. And they went ahead and increased their dividend from $1.04 a share to $1.06 a share, so a 2-cent increase in dividend yield, which I am happy to see. Dividend number 20 coming in the 18th of September, ticker symbol HD, which is Home Depot. We earned $2.30 from the 1 share that I own. We are up over $111 in this position for a gain of just shy of 39% increase in market value. Number 21 coming on the 19th of September, ticker symbol FLO. We're at $1.24 from the 5 shares that I own, and we are down about 46% in this position for a loss of about $57. We purchased these on average about $24.50 a share, and right now the price is about $13.09 a share. So that kind of gives you that perspective of we lost half of what we purchased for each one of these shares. But moving on. Dividend 22 coming on the 22nd of September, ticker symbol D, Dominion Energy. We're at $2.96 from the 4 shares that I own, and we are pretty even with a gain of about $3.08. Dividend number 23 coming on the 23rd of September. I like it when they do the dates with that. We're at $6.63 for the 3 shares that I own, and we are up about 7%, which equates to about $71, which is a bigger gain, more expensive stock price. So there you go. Number 24 coming on the 26th of September is ticker symbol KHC, which is Kraft Heinz. We're at $3.20 from the 8 shares that I own, and we are down about 22.5% in the position for a loss of about $61. Dividend number 25 coming in on the 26th of September, ticker symbol LMT. We're in $3.30 from the 1 share that I own. We are up 27.5% in this position for a gain of $107, excuse me. Dividend number 26 coming in on the 26th of September. Coming in with BAC, we are at $8.68 from the 31 shares that I own. This company is up over 56.5% with a gain of $567.92. And they went ahead and increased their dividends from 26 cents a share to 28 cents a share, so another 2-cent increase in dividend yield. Dividend number 27 coming out on the 29th of September, ticker symbol TROW. We are $3.81 from the 3 shares that I own, and we are down over $100 lost in this position, about 26% in market value decrease. Dividend number 28 coming in on the 30th of September, ticker symbol AVGO. We are $10.62 from the 18 shares that I own, and we are up over 713% in this position for a gain of $5,263.38. Dividend number 29 coming in on the 30th of September, ticker symbol CCI. We earned $5.31 from the 5 shares that I own, and we are down about $170 in this position. Dividend number 30 coming in on the 30th of September, ticker symbol EFC, one of my monthly dividend earners, came in at $7.15 for the 55 shares that I own. Dividend number 31 coming in on the 30th of September is another monthly dividend earner that we have. Ticker symbol LTC, we earned $1.90 for the 10 shares that I own. Another even keel company coming about 1.3% loss. And dividend number 32, the final dividend, is coming in on 30th September. Ticker symbol TRV, which is a Travelers company. We're at $2.20 from the 2 shares that I own, and we are up just shy of 98% in market value increase for a gain of $273.74. So that is going to wrap up all the 32 individual dividends that make up this $118 of dividend earned in the month of September. Let's go ahead and see how all of these dividends and the increases in market value impact the statistics of my portfolio and the goals that I have for myself this year that have since updated. Alright, so first off, we're going to look at the statistics here. Dividend yield. This is the monthly dividend yield that we see. We see it drop down again to 3.01%. It was at 3.08 and 3.20% above that. But we did see an increase in the average dividend yield per year to $1,000 $374.23, so $2 and some change update there. Per month, that would be $114.52. Per week, that would be earning $26.43 at passive dividend income. Per day, that equates to $3.77. Per hour, that is 15 7/10 cents. We're still looking at 3/10 of a penny for every minute, and compared to a 40-hour work week, we would be making 66 1/10 cents per hour. So we're getting there, slowly but surely, seeing that incline up to $3.77. We know our goal is to get a little bit higher by the end of the year, and hopefully, if everything goes to plan, we will reach it, but we might not. Let's look at the goals. Long-term goals: $600,000 portfolio, 4% annual dividend return, $2,000 a month average monthly dividend income, which is $65.75 a day on average. For 2025, we wanted to reach $3.62 a day in dividend average income, which is $113 monthly on average. And we wanted the portfolio to reach a value of $44,750. And we wanted to reach $1,400 in total dividend income for the year. Now, everything going on in October, selling out stocks, not reinvesting dividends, pulling out money to reinvest into a house, and then in the next few months reinvesting it back in, trying to get through that buffer window without having to get a gap loan. We're not going to reach this goal. I can tell you right now we're not. But as of right now, we have hit 3 of the 4 goals that we set for ourselves for 2025. Portfolio is well over $44,000, so over $1,000 over. For this dividends this year, we're almost at $1,000 with 3 months left to go. So the likelihood that we were going to hit that $400 anyways is very slim. We would have had to have knockout months, and we just don't have it because we have companies that only pay every quarter, so we have higher and lower months, so we know we weren't going to achieve that. We already achieved reaching $113 in monthly dividend average. We're over $114, and $3.62 a day in dividends. We're at $3.77. So we have knocked out 3 out of the 4 goals this year, and I'm very happy with that. And more so, I am happy with the fact that we get to utilize this investment, the money that has been sitting here and been accumulating and growing over time, to help us buy a house together and kind of start a fresh start with our marriage. So I'm excited about that. More will come later. I will do a breakdown of my stock portfolio right before I sell pretty much everything off in October, and then keep you guys updated when we start reinvesting it again, and get to see how that plays out, how much money we may or may not have lost, and what that looks like for the future. So until next time, folks, I'm going to leave it here with my September stock portfolio breakdown and all my individual dividends. So see you next time, folks.